We're continuing our Pokemon Go anniversary celebration month with the Team Mystic special collection. I've got the Team Valor and the Team Instinct still to come. I'm going to open this up and then we'll dive down and take a look at what's inside. Okay, so I've got that opened up. I thought I'd spare you having to sit through watching me rip through that box because they do use a lot of strong glue. So in this collection, we have 6 booster packs total. We have this special promo of Blanche. So I'll take that out and give you a look. So there you go. That's the Blanche promo. Set that right there for you to see. We've got this really cool Articuno Team Mystic pin. Very awesome. Little Pokeball designs in the backing there. So that's really cool. Put that up there. Not going to sit way in a good spot for you to see, unfortunately. Okay, and then we obviously have the 6 booster packs. So, we'll get that out of the way because I am collecting them. Six boosters. Let's go. Let's Pokemon go. 1, 2, 3. This will be our Fighting Energy. Solrock. Ariados. Charmeleon. Charmander. Apom. Bulbasaur. Numel. Alolan Raticate. Numel again in reverse holo that time. And Snorlax. Electric Energy. Wartortle. Pokestop. Steelix. Oh, that's cool. I don't think I've seen that Steelix yet. So I'm still getting some. Even though it is a smaller set. And still haven't got them all yet. There's Bidoof and then Magikarp. Pidove. Onix. Eevee. Slowpoke. Oh, look at that. Candela. Rainbow Candela. That's not fair. It's in the Blanche pack. Very cool. Pop that there so you can see that. Nice. We'll keep moving on. Grass Energy. Pupitar. Wartortle. Pokestop. Tranquil. Larvitar. Natu. Ambipom. Slowpoke. Lure Module. Gyarados. Fire Energy. Rare Candy. Unpheasant. Blanche. Spinarak. We saw that before. Alolan Rattata. I've always said Rattata. Bidoof. Charmander. Apom. Slowbro. Moltres. Fighting Energy. Candela. Lunatone, Rare Candy, Spinarak, Alolan Rattata, Bidoof, Charmander, Apom, Numel, another Mewtwo V. If you missed the last one, we did get one of these already in the Alolan Executor V pack. So that is really cool. We'll get another one. Awesome. Such a cool card. I love that art. Last pack. 1, 2, 3. Fire Energy. Ariados. Unpheasant. Charmeleon. Alolan Rattata. Wimpod. Pikachu. Squirtle. Meltan. Pikachu again. And Tyranitar. Cool. Well, look at that. That's a pretty cool win. Like I said, it's a little bit unfair that I got the Candela card in the Blanche pack. That's okay. We've got 2 more of the team collections. So next week we're going to do Team Instinct, followed up the week after by Team Valor. So make sure you check out those. Go back and check out the previous 2 Pokemon Go videos I've already done. We are doing a month-long celebration because it's Pokemon Go's 7th anniversary. If you're enjoying the channel, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye.